Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vae here. What up, Vae gang? If you are new to this channel, my name is Vae, VaeGrace for short, and welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep up with the content and get notifications on when I drop videos. And also get down in the comment section. Let's interact. Let's get to know each other. But I do appreciate you guys for tuning in. You see this look here. I did film this look for you guys already. If you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check that out. That should have dropped already prior to this video now. So today's video is just about revamping this hair. I've been curling it a lot, so I just really wanted to do like a straight sleek look today. So that's what we're going to be getting into. So if you want to see how I sleek out this hair, let's continue watching this video. So I am going to be using this Andis flat iron, and I think I got this at did I get this at Burlington? I might have got this on Amazon. Yeah, I might have got this on Amazon, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I've already brushed up my hair using a paddle brush, and so before we get into conversating, I need to focus on what I'm doing because I don't want to burn myself. So today I'll be using my Babyless titanium flat iron. So I'm gonna go ahead and split this in two. I'm gonna start on this side. Today I was just thinking about and I'm a hairstylist, so I definitely hold my comb in hand. I try not to hold my comb down just to keep that habit. And you know, just trying to keep positive. I don't know how you guys keep positive, but I do have like a semi-morning routine, and I think that helps me a lot. So what I usually do is I wake up, I pray first and foremost, just thank God for waking me up in the morning, thanking Him for, you know, the day ahead, praying that He blesses, you know, me, praying that He, you know, should bless my family, asking Him for forgiveness for anything that I've said or done, you know, but I pray for, you know, the less fortunate. I pray for people who, you know, have less than I do, even though, you know, even now I don't have, you know, I'm blessed. I'll say that. I'm blessed, but my situation in my life could be better, you know what I mean? And I'm not complaining because it could always be worse, but I just pray for positivity. I pray that all negative energy, you know, keep away from me, you know what I mean? And I think that's really what matters, is just trying to, you know, keep away all that negative energy, staying positive throughout your trials and tribulations and your struggles, because at the end of the day, life could be worse. You know, somebody else has it worse off than you, so I think that's what helps me. But let me know down in the comment section, you know, things that you guys do to try to keep positive. But other than that, I do just go over some positive affirmations within the morning. I have a whole Pinterest. Pinterest is a good place to look for like positive affirmations, motivation, inspirational quotes. And I do have a whole pin or book folder, filled with a whole bunch of positive affirmations and things for laws of attraction. That's mainly it. Just trying to attract positive energy. It's easier said than done because, throughout the day, trying to be positive is easier said than done. But, because at the end of the day, we all struggle, you know what I mean? But attempting to do so is what is important, you know what I mean? So another thing I definitely wanted to touch on was, just encouraging you guys to follow your dreams. Even me now trying to be consistent on this platform, I want you guys to go for what it is that you want to do. Whatever your dream is, whatever your aspirations are, your time is now. Tomorrow's not promised, as I said before in, my video about, purpose. If you didn't watch that, go watch that. But your time is now. I'm definitely not wasting time for 2020. So, I really pray for you guys that that's the case as well. No more wasting time. Like, let's get to the bag. Let's get to the things that we want to do now. All the things we want to do now, let's do it now. You want to lose weight, go, start today. Do a couple of push-ups. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever it is that you want to do, whatever your goals are, go ahead and start doing it now. You know what I mean? And don't worry about the naysayers. Don't worry about the people that are, you're afraid of criticism from, and it doesn't matter what people think. And it took me a long time to get to this point, because I was one of those that really, valued other people's thoughts and, internalized those things. But it does not matter what people think about you at the end of the day, because no one is above the next person. We all bleed the same, you know what I mean? So never let, what you think somebody else is gonna say about you or think about you dictate how it is that you move throughout the world, because it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? You can move today and forget about those people tomorrow. You know what I mean? And probably even forget their names. It does not matter what they think about you. Life is too short. Period. But yeah, so just, I just pray that you guys are achieving your goals and doing the things that you want to do in life. But something else I wanted to talk about was Pop Smoke's death. It seems like, again, rest in peace to that boy, because I think they said he was 20 years old. That's crazy. That's, like, no one is living, past a certain age anymore, past 30. Like, it's sad. You know what I mean? Like, 20 years old, your life is taken from you, But privacy is essential to living a happy life and safe life. Privacy. Nobody needs to know how you're moving. Nobody needs to know, what you got yesterday. On social, in this today's society, like, we live in a world where we gotta post everything. If we didn't post it, it didn't happen. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, people need to know what we're doing, when we're doing it, and it doesn't make any sense. That's why nowadays there's no monogamy, there's no, relationships that, survive anymore. We have issues with our spouses or our boyfriends. We're posting it on the gram or we're posting it on Facebook. It's nobody's business. It's nobody's business what your apartment or house looks like. It's nobody's business that you got a car. It's nobody's business. And, you have people posting on, Facebook and Instagram, their day, like, I just ate soup, or I just ate cereal this morning, or nobody really cares. Like, you know what I mean? And there's no privacy. There's no privacy. And that is, I think, honestly, what is affecting us. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what's affecting us. And with that boy, I guess they were saying that he posted his address online by accident, because I guess it was a gift from when he purchased his home. And supposedly they're saying that's what the case is. I'm not sure. You know, eventually the real story will come out. But, you know, even, you know, on this platform, people posting their, YouTubers posting their, you know, empty apartment tour, empty house tour, and their addresses are leaked. People are finding out, or, you know, they know the area, so they're finding out where these people live, and then here it is, the people get robbed. You know, that's unfortunate. And it's sad that people feel the need to do so for, you know, on people that worked hard for what they have and where, you know, where they came from. You know what I'm saying? It's like, and you're taking from these people, from families. It's sad. But either way, you know, it's just teaching me a lot. It's teaching me how to move. It's teaching me, you know, I mean, I'm already a private person anyway. But, you know, with these situations, we need to learn from them. And I hope that you guys are learning from them. You know, you need to live a private life. It does not, nobody needs to know how you're living. It's nobody's business. And it makes me think back to that guy. The guy that won the lottery, and he had a mask on. Like, he did not want his family members or friends to know, you know, who he was, and he wore a mask for the interview for when he won the lottery. And I respect that. You know, I think he said something to the fact that, you know, family would be coming out the woodworks, you know, asking for bread. Like, I respect it. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, live your life and live it privately. It does not, nobody needs to know your business, okay? Nobody needs to know your business. Like, keep some things to yourself, you know? But yeah, you just gotta learn to pick and choose what you want, what you should be sharing. And is it gonna affect my safety or my family's safety? You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, like I said, it's no one's business, period. But like I said, life is too short, and you know, I really feel bad for that boy. He was just up and coming. He was about to pop off, literally, and they took his life. For what? I don't even understand it. Supposedly a robbery gone wrong, but now they're saying he was targeted. So, you know, like I said, the real story should be coming out soon, and we'll get to know exactly what happened to that boy. But this here is from Gabrielle Hair on Aliexpress, and I'm going to go ahead and leave the information down below for you. It's been, I think, since December. It's been 3 months since I've had this hair, and so far so good. As you can see, it's not even like crazy. Like, it does shed when I comb it out or brush it out. But for the most part, it's pretty decent hair. You know, doesn't really mat up on me like that. I put deep conditioner mask on it just to revive it when I need to, and it works. And silicone mix, if you guys don't know about that, get that for y'all's extensions. I definitely do deep conditioner mask on them, and that just does the trick, period. Like, it's back to silky, it's back to flowy, you know what I mean? Especially after I've used a lot of product on it, and right now this does have spritz on it, so yeah, and it's still not even like stiff, like, you know what I mean? Like, but again, all the description for this hair will be down below in the description box, so look out for that if you want to purchase this hair. And no, this is not sponsored. I just, you know, want to help you guys out with getting affordable hair. And I don't even think I paid that much for it either. And I did make this into a closure unit. And I did replace this the closure on this unit once. Actually, I think I had a frontal prior to this one. So prior to this closure, I had a frontal. Took the frontal off, and then because I had so much hair left over, I just purchased the closure and then installed it and, you know, remade the unit. If you guys would like to see how I make my units, you could definitely put it in the comment section down below, just so I know, you know, get an idea of more content I can make for you guys.
Standing by to answer your questions and tell you what your case is potentially worth. Hello, I'm Gina Bellich, along with spokesman Rob Reed. So, Rob, who should be calling right now?
Well, Gina, anyone who's been injured in an accident was not your fault, and you don't have an attorney, call us right now. We're going to answer all of your questions, and we'll let you know what your case is potentially worth.
See, we capped the baller.
EMG. Todd, can you play that again?